NFP and massive economic data. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. Non-farm payrolls will be in the spotlight in the week ahead. However, we should not forget about the other vital data like PMI from major developed economies. Generally, this is an impressive week with the massive economic data. So let's go to the detail and see what we have to wait for in the week ahead. Number 1. UK quarter first GDP. The final number of the UK GDP for the quarter first 2021 will be released on Wednesday. As the GDP is the economy's most important figure, it will be spotlighted by the market participant. The market estimates to see a bit upward revision on its initial minus 1.5% after positive number that we saw in the final number of other impressive indicators. However, even with that, it will still be in the negative area. FTSE is back above 7,000, and with the estimated and expected market sentiment to see the UK 100 in the pre-pandemic levels in the near future is getting more reasonable. Number 2. Manufacturing PMI data. China on Wednesday, UK and other European countries Thursday will publish their PMI numbers. In China, we are still expecting to see numbers remain above 50 but to decline to 50.7 in June from 51 of last month. However, due to the latest round of the reopening in the UK and other European countries, especially in Germany and the French, we are expecting upbeat numbers. In other European countries like Italy and Spain, also improvement is more likely. Estimated data supposed to help the euro and its overall uptrend outlook. Number 3. Eurozone inflation. Wednesday and on the busiest day of the week, the eurozone inflation numbers, especially after the wars in the US, will be in the spotlight. Currently, inflation in Europe is above the ECB's 2% target. But same as the FOMC members, Europe can also know that as a temporary period. However, the possibility that the recent price raising could turn in a long-term trend is getting more likely. Number 4. OPEC Plus meeting. The 18 OPEC and non-OPEC ministers meeting will be held via video conference on Thursday, July 1st to review the global market demand and a plan for future supply. In the last meeting on June 1st, they mentioned reopenings and the positive effect of vaccination, which ended with the more demand in the oil market. As a result, while oil prices climbed to the highest level since October 2018 on Friday, Brent and WTI printed the 5th growing week in a row. Therefore, with the improving demand in the market, we expect a slightly increase in output levels and not much change in the prices in the oil market. And finally, number 5, the event of the week, NFP. The market is waiting to see 675,000 new jobs and unemployment rate to fall to 5.7%. Last week, Jeremy Powell and other Federal Reserve members repeated over and over their commitment to the labor market by holding the dovish policies as long as it's needed. Powell said there is still a long way to go. In the last 2 months, NFP missed the market estimates, and now they are hoping the positive numbers will be seen. We still have to wait and see the new higher high in the US stock markets with these estimated numbers. Thanks for staying with us and hope you are having an amazing week ahead.